So here's how to make video with ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to sora.chatgpt.com. Keep in mind that you cannot generate videos from the ChatGPT interface itself, so you need to use this website. Once you're here, you will get to see an interface like this. So go over to the input section on the bottom. Over here, you can click on the plus icon to upload a reference media of your choosing. After that, click on the image section on the bottom and select video. You can then set the aspect ratio right over here. Choose the one that you want. After that, set the resolution according to your preference. Next, you can set the duration as well. After that, choose how many variations you want. Now go over to the text input field and put in your prompt. Once you're ready, you can click on the submit button over here, or you can also go over to the storyboard section. This will take you to the storyboards page. Over here, click on use storyboard if prompted. And as you can see, ChatGPT has polished your prompt over here. You can edit it further if you want. You can also click on this expand caption option on the bottom, which will prompt ChatGPT to expand your existing caption. And as you can see, the caption is now being further refined. If you want, you can also click on the delete option to delete the prompt. This way, you will get multiple scenes from ChatGPT. So once you're satisfied with the whole setup, click on Create. Keep in mind that you might need to have the premium version of ChatGPT in order to generate videos using Sora by ChatGPT. And that's it. That is exactly how to make video with ChatGPT.